Alright, welcome back to the channel everybody. This is our next mission. Rear deck out in this panel van. It's a VY panel van. New school. Hip pitch. So I've already done about a week and a half on this thing, and I've already done a stack of fabrication. It all is here, so we're going to pick up from this point of the build. I didn't record any of that, so too bad. So I'll get this all back in the car now, and then I can sheet the sides out. I've got a couple more brackets to make, and then we can continue on from there. Alright, let's go. Alright, so here we are, I'll get our framework in. So there's a couple of other things I need to do before we get anywhere near trimming, and that is I need to make some brackets run along here. So I can put a piece in to finish that end off. And obviously I need to sheet these sides, make them match in with those front panels there. I think I'm going to make these brackets next. That's the next thing I'll do. Just get a couple of bits of angle aluminium, cut them to the right shape. Alright, brackets made, in place. Took advantage of the existing bolts, the hardware there, to just pick up on that bolting point. Made it nice and easy for me. Didn't have to hack into anything. Alright, there we go. That panel's all made. Sits up against the brackets we put in earlier nicely. Everything lines up really well. Just got this gap to fill in here. Alrighty. that's it for me today. Alright, it's the next morning. I think I'm going to change this way this panel operates now so that it'll finish on top rather than tucked underneath, for various reasons. But anyway, so now I'm going to start patterning for the sides, and I can get that sheeted in today, hopefully. Alright, calling that a day. Got this side all sheeted up, got the second side patterned, ready to go, so I can knock it over in the morning. Sits nice and snug by the look of it. Alright, so I'll finish that side off in the morning. Alright, there's the fabrication mostly done. Headboard, sides are in. We've left our gap at the top here for the lights. I did have to remake these back bits, but I've done that. That's alright, they fit really nicely there now. Fills that in. The only bit I've got left to do is this back bit here. We're not sure what's going on there. There's a DVD player going in, so we just need to figure that. And then it's time to start trimming. So that'll be it for this video. Next video will be starting the trim work. Gonzo. Oi!